Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Prosperity Productions. Very quick video for you today. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the headlight bulbs on a 2020 Suzuki Swift. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is actually open up the bonnet, which if you don't know how to do, I'll just show you now. Open up the driver's door fully. Just down in the driver's footwell, there's this lever. Give that a pull. Come around to the front of the vehicle. Just in the middle of the bonnet, just by the Suzuki badge, there is a lever. Push that to the left, open up your bonnet fully, and we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole down there. Now your bonnet is safe and secure. So luckily on the Swift, it's nice and easy to get to both of the headlight bulbs. So we've got a nice load of clearance here and a nice load of clearance here. I'll just set the camera up and I'll show you how to do one. Okay, so hopefully you can see. Now what you've got is you've got a connector just on the back, and we're just going to pull that straight off like so. It's just a 3-pin connector, quite typical of most headlight bulbs. So there we go. So pulling that off. Then we're going to get this rubber boot. Just give that a tug by both the tabs and take that off like so. Now what you've got here is a little spring connection. So on the right hand side there's a bit of a loop. Give that a push and then pull down, and then that will actually rotate away from the bulb like so, and then you can just pull on the connections for the bulb. Now this is a H4 bulb, it looks just like that. Also note that there's a couple of tabs, they're always at the bottom, so those tabs stay at the bottom, single tab at the top. So once you get your new bulb, you're going to push that straight in, making sure you never touch the glass section with your hands because the acids, and we're just going to push that straight in, making sure it's all the way in. And then get that spring clip, push it round and down, clip it in just like so. The next thing we're going to do is get our rubber boot, making sure the tabs are at the top and the bottom. Just push that all the way on, making sure the 3 pins come through. Seal it all the way around. Then we get our electrical connection, retrieve it from earlier, making sure the middle one, the top one goes in the middle. We're just going to go ahead and push that all the way on so it's nice and tight. And there we go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos on the Swift or any other car, and please subscribe to my channel.